The Defense Minister Rajnath Singh was in Kaliningrad, and then INS Sushil was commissioned into Indian Navy in Kaliningrad. This is basically your frigate, and frigates are now becoming very important from the war point of view, and also how the things are changing in Indian Ocean. And recently we got to know the news on 3rd December. I think I had covered it, and that time the Admiral Tripathi, the head of the Indian Navy, uh, the Admiral of the Indian Navy, he had said that Pakistan is trying to get more ships from China and trying to increase their naval fleet to 50. So they don't have money to get, to buy food and ration, but they are increasing their ships. So that is the condition of Pakistan. There is nothing new about it, but this was majorly said by the Admiral, sir. So in that context, they are trying to expand. China has already become the largest navy in the world. In this context, it is very important for that India has a very potent navy. The focus for the Indian Navy, as we had discussed on 3rd or 4th December, that Indian Navy would now, will try to get one ship per month, a ship to be made and joins the Indian Navy per month. That will be the target. So in this context, lot of things are being worked upon to make Indian Navy very strong, from the concept of blue water navy and blue operation. A blue water navy is that which can do operation even far from their shores in various areas of the world. Like Americans are blue water navy, even Chinese want to become a blue water navy, and similar is what Indian Navy also want to do, blue water navy operations. So Defense Minister emphasized new era of cooperation between India and Russia in terms of artificial intelligence, cyber security, space exploration, and counter-terrorism. India is, India, all cards are open. We are talking to Americans, we are talking to Russians, even for that matter, we are talking to Chinese. So this is a great diplomacy which we have been able to achieve. It highlighted the made in India content in Indian naval ships, including INS Sushil, showcasing India's progress in technological excellence through joint efforts with Russia. So BrahMos was a joint efforts, BrahMos 2.0, or for that, that BrahMos hypersonic missile we are also working. Most of the times when we have done collaborative operations in terms of making defense project, they have been very successful with Russians. So I hope, and this again, this INS Sushil is also great, and it is part of the project 1135.6. Please remember this very important fact. So INS Sushil is the upgraded Krivak 3 class frigate of project 1135.6. 6 frigates of this class are already in service. 3 Talwar class ships built at Baltivaski shipyard, St. Petersburg. So 6 we already have. So what happened was 6 we already have. Let me just change the color. 6 we already have. Then we have ordered 4. Okay, so if we have ordered 4, in these 4, 2 would be made in Russia and 2 would be made in India. So this one, INS Sushil, is part of the first one which has come. Second is also getting tested. It will join by the next year. So 2 from Russia would come, and 2 which are being made in India, that they are also getting TOT. That is transfer of technology would be given, so that India can also make on its own. Okay. So 3 Talwar class ships built at Baltivaski shipyard, St. Petersburg. They are already in service. 3 Take class ships built at Yantar shipyard, Kaliningrad. They have also already joined the Indian Naval Services. So 6 which were made, these frigates were made. They are already in the service. This is the 7th one which joins the Indian Navy, and the 8th one which is being made in Russia, that will also soon join, and rest of the remaining 2 would be made in India. And frigates are being powered by engines from Zoria Neshproket of Ukraine. Please remember, these are not Russian engines. The engines which are in these frigates are Ukrainian origin engines. Okay, very important. A prelims question can come, they will ask you Russian origin engines. No, it is a Ukraine engine from Zoria Neshproek. Okay, so INS Sushil is the 7th frigate in the series of the first of the 2 additional follow-on ships under the 2016 India-Russia agreement. Deals have already 2 constructed in Russia, 2 would be built in Goa shipyard under technology transfer. Second frigate, that is INS Tamal, which is again being made at Russia, that will also soon join us by the first quarter of the next year. So I think January to March, April it should come. Construction faced delays due to COVID-19 and war in Ukraine. Otherwise, they would have joined by now, because Russia is very much busy in the Ukraine war, and then the COVID happened. So because of that, construction and manufacturing had stopped. Rather, manufacturing had, or this industry slowed down, and now Russia is very much busy in the Ukraine war. So focus of defense equipments is towards Ukraine. So in that context, I hope this will work out, and the Russian president is expected to come in January 2025. I think there would be also words to, fasten up this process. So strategic importance for Indian Navy. Navy has played a crucial role for foiling piracy, arms, then drug smuggling and countering non-state actors. And Navy is also important from point of Gulf of Oman, Aden, Malacca, Austria, Madagascar. We just read about what happened in Syria. And because of whenever these kind of things happen, there's a ripple effect which happens in organized crime, terrorism, and even in sea piracy. In this context, India's importance in all these regions will become very important. So Indian Navy acts as a net security provider in Indian Ocean region to ensure safe maritime trade and unhindered sea commerce. Specifically, the kind of hindrances which are being developed by China, or how they are trying to block the trade in South China Sea. They claim the South China Sea, they are making artificial islands. If there would have been no check, they would have tried the same stunt in Indian Ocean also. But thankfully, you have Indian Navy and other like-minded navies which have been able to put Chinese at bay. So humanitarian assistance and all these operations will also be their part of it. Navy is the first responder for humanitarian assistance. Sushil is also designed for blue water operations. Let's come to MCQ. INS Sushil is the 7th frigate in the Kribak 3-class under project. Correct statement. Engines of all Kribak sourced from Russia, not Russia, they are from Ukraine. The INS Sushil was built under the India-Russia agreement signed in 2016. Correct. So 1 and 3 are correct. Answer is A. Thank you for watching this video. For complete video, please watch Daily Decodes, and the link to that video is given in the description. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And do press the bell icon for all the updates.